Hi and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry so you can discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text to video conversion using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also a full training course. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers by just copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find these influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this, guys, is your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my step-by-step method. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these GPTs and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high-ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and making up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 that you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that all that's out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up this product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. So let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Hey there. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making some waves in the email marketing world, the Email Marketing Repair Kit. If you're like me, you know how frustrating it can be when your emails don't land where they're supposed to. But fear not, because this kit claims to have the solutions we've all been searching for. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what exactly the Email Marketing Repair Kit is all about. Essentially, it's a comprehensive set of tools and resources designed to help you troubleshoot and fix common email deliverability issues. Whether you're dealing with low open rates, high bounce rates, or just struggling to get your emails into the inbox, this kit promises to have your back. Now, let's break down some of the key features and benefits of the Email Marketing Repair Kit. 1. Inbox Testing Tools. One of the standout features of this kit is its suite of inbox testing tools. These tools allow you to simulate how your emails will appear in various email clients and devices, so you can identify any formatting issues that might be affecting deliverability. 2. Deliverability Guides. In addition to the testing tools, the kit also includes a series of in-depth deliverability guides. These guides cover everything from best practices for writing subject lines to tips for improving sender reputation, giving you the knowledge you need to maximize your email deliverability. 3. List Cleaning Services. Another useful feature of the Email Marketing Repair Kit is its list cleaning services. By identifying and removing invalid or inactive email addresses from your list, these services can help improve your sender reputation and increase the likelihood that your emails will reach the inbox. 4. Support and updates. Last but not least, the kit comes with ongoing support and updates to ensure that you always have access to the latest tools and information. So, what's my personal experience been like with the Email Marketing Repair Kit? Well, I have to say, I've been pretty impressed so far. The inbox testing tools have been incredibly useful for identifying and fixing formatting issues, and the deliverability guides have provided some valuable insights into how I can improve my email campaigns. Overall, I'd say the Email Marketing Repair Kit is definitely worth checking out if you're struggling with email deliverability issues. With its comprehensive set of tools and resources, it's helped me take my email marketing game to the next level, and I think it could do the same for you. So if you're ready to start getting more of your emails into the inbox, be sure to give it a try.